CB650R, we're going to begin by installing the frame sliders. First step is to locate the engine bolt. This general area, this is the first thing that we're going to be removing. Many times it might be difficult to remove the bolt with a standard wrench, so you might want to use a slightly bigger ratchet. Once you got that removed, you want to take your puck and your adapter from your kit. Both adapters are the same, left and right. Both pucks are the same, left and right. What differs are the bolts. On the right side, you're going to find the 85mm bolt. Go ahead and pre-assemble the kit. Once you got it assembled, you want to apply a drop of thread locker at the end of the bolt. You can go ahead and slide it in. And begin threading the bolt by hand. For the final tightening, you want to make sure to use a torque wrench at recommended specs. Once you got that fully tightened, installation for the right side is complete. The steps on the left side are going to be exactly the same. You can go ahead and repeat that. The installation of frame sliders is complete.